And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my 7th ever birthday series. This is my 7th year of doing a birthday series. If you're new to my channel, what exactly is a birthday series? Basically, September is my birthday month and I started off doing this in a pattern wherein the number of years that I was turning would be the number of videos that I would post. So I started when I was 22. So I posted 22 videos in that year. But as I'm getting older, that is a little bit difficult for me to do. So I've started basically posting 15 videos in an entire month, which I think is a lot of long form videos. Other than that, I do one short every single day and we do one giveaway every single day. 15 here on YouTube and 15 on Instagram as well. So needless to say, September is going to be a really fun month on this channel. So make sure to subscribe. Okay, let's talk about the intro. इस बार मैंने starting में ही play कर दिया the intro. So let me know what you guys thought about it. I wanted to kind of obviously translate how I was feeling this particular year, how I've been feeling about the year 28 into this little 10-second video. So life has been beautifully loud. It's been exciting. It's been busy. But at the same time, I have started to kind of find my own stillness, my own peace, my calm amongst all of this chaos. How I like to call it is my soft escape or my way of romanticizing the chaos rather than running away from it. I think back in Mumbai, which is a very chaotic city, I have been able to find a balance of how to do it. Obviously, this place right here, I think just projects that feeling fully. I think in general also I've realized that it's always about choosing your peace, choosing your happiness deliberately, right? So I wanted to kind of put that emotion and that thought and that feeling into this video. So let me know what you thought about it. I really like the way it looks right now. I have not edited, so I don't know what it looks, but I hope that you guys like it and I hope that it kind of embodies my feeling. Where am I? You're probably wondering. The location is absolutely stunning. It almost feels like I'm sitting in front of a green screen. I'm not. I am in Washington and I found a space that just feels so peaceful and so calm. Like if I had to describe this place in just 2 words, it would be that. So guys, this is the beautiful cabin style home that we're staying in and of course we found it on Airbnb. I think my most favorite thing about staying in an Airbnb has to be how these stays feel so uniquely yours. Like this one, it's so peaceful. It's a beautiful cabin style home, but it also has all the modern amenities. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think it deserves a proper tour. Okay, I think we have to start with the outdoors because I think it's my most favorite place because they have kayaks for us. They have a boat that we can literally take out. They have paddle boards. They also have an outdoor fire pit. There's a seating area where you can dine. There's a patio and the most beautiful and incredible view. Okay, so once we enter the cabin, this is what you see. They have another outdoor area. I feel like this is great, especially in the afternoons because it gets very hot. So this is still outdoors, but it's shaded. So that's that. Oh, there's also a grill right here. I'm gonna keep saying this over and over again, but just look at the view. Oh my God, it's just so peaceful and so calm here. But guys, that's not it. It only keeps getting better. The house inside, it's just so cute. It's such a perfect mix of rustic with minimal design. It's very Pinterest meets forest vibes and there's just so much space to be. There's a very cute fireplace right in front of me, loads and loads of board games for Aditya and I to enjoy, a TV which I think we're definitely gonna be watching. Guys, check out the kitchen. It's an open kitchen. You guys know how I feel about that. It's amazing. And again, ये भी एक चीज है worth noting about Airbnbs is that you can actually feel like it's like your home almost, you know, because यहाँ पे they have everything that you would need in a functional kitchen. So right here they have a coffee machine, they have a toaster, they have a, what do you call this? A kettle, all types of utensils, dishes, fridge, microwave, oven, dishwasher, you name it and they have it. Also, look how cute that is. A really cute touch is how they have this little tea corner right here. And also, they left behind some marshmallows for us to enjoy. I think we're going to be using these tonight for sure. So this little Airbnb is a 2-bed and 1 bath. So yahan pe, in this corridor, this door basically has like a utility closet. It also has the washer and dryer. And then here we have our bathroom. So this is a very cute bathroom. Again, I really like the decor in here. And finally, we have 2 bedrooms right here. One for me and one for Aditya. No, both of us are staying in this one right here. Super cute decor, of course. But I will say the bed is very cozy. The view from this bedroom is insane. And it's very functional. Okay. The other bedroom, it's actually very, very cute. It has bunk beds. I think it would be great, obviously, if you have kids, but I think also if you're coming in as a bunch of friends, there's a lot of space to sleep. If you couldn't tell already, I am just so excited to be here for the next 2 days. I think Aditya and I are gonna have such a good time. Now that I say it, I feel like this place would be so perfect for couples, but also it would be so perfect for families and friends. Like, I really hope that I can come here with maybe my friends and family someday. It would be so fun. Also, guys, you haven't seen Aditya yet in the vlog.
Yeah, I was going back to my role as a cameraman for this vlog.
Are you excited?
Yeah, the property is insanely beautiful. It's so peaceful. इतना मस्त लग रहा है ना यहाँ पे. It's like proper zen mode.
Yeah. What are we doing next?
I think you can go for like a kayaking or boating experience.
Boating experience guided by us ourselves.
हाँ, खुद से ज़्यादा दूर नहीं, just because we are scared.
So basically, I think for the most part, both of us really like the water. Me more than Aditya.
Yeah.
And I am someone who swims even without like a life jacket. I don't really care. I'm not scared, okay? But even though this feels very like beautiful and serene, I am just a little bit scared, yaar, for some reason to go in the water.
I am anyway not that keen on going in water bodies, तो मुझे इतना ये नहीं है. But surprising for you, but exactly हमारे सामने बच्चे हैं जो बार-बार कूद के जा भी रहे हैं. So
and we also asked our Airbnb host.
Yeah.
And she said that you can go. It's
it's
fine.
up to you because there's no lifeguard on duty, so
Correct.
तुम्हारी मर्जी.
Yeah. So मैंने actually ChatGPT किया. To understand why I'm feeling like that, because I was so confused. So basically ChatGPT का ये कहना था कि the color of the water and it's an unknown water body.
That's
like
true.
you don't know how deep it is. So I mean I think that makes sense because it's not like a crystal clear water. It's a very pretty shade of like green. So I don't know. Regardless, we're gonna go.
With boating.
Yeah, I think we'll go boating now because अगर पूरी तरीके से पानी में नहीं जा सकते तो कैसे तो जाते थोड़ा सा.
ऊपर पानी के ऊपर रह सकते.
We're finally doing it. तू है मेरे साथ तो मुझे इतना स्ट्रेस नहीं हो रहा है. कुछ ना कुछ तो आदित्य कर ही लेगा, उतना मुझे पता है. The view is to die for. Also, आदित्य ये और लेके आया.
अच्छा हुआ कि नहीं, वरना तो गोल गोल ही घूमते रह जाते. इतना पैडल करके हम कितनी दूर आए हैं वो देखो. हम सिर्फ गोल गोल घूम रहे हैं. मैं भी दिखाता. रुक उधर रुक, तो कैमरा तो दिखा. वाओ.
Our Airbnb is right here.
कितने दूर आ गए.
We made it, guys. And for the most part, I was a passenger princess here.
I'm used to it.
No, you're not.
रोइंग या तो कायाकिंग टाइप एक्टिविटीज में तो फुल पैसेंजर प्रिंसेस. बिल्कुल भी नहीं हाथ में लेती है वो ना. 2 स्ट्रोक करेगा मेरा हाथ दुख गया. I'm tired.
Are we doing this tomorrow, Adi?
I don't think so.
Oh my god, how is this real? कैसे खेलते हैं इसको?
कुछ नहीं, पॉइंट्स में डालने का.
Oh. Oh! Okay, now I am honestly so hungry. Also, the lighting is really cool because वो जो skylight है जो kitchen में है उस पे से light आ रही है and it's looking really cool. But anyway, so for our meals, we decided that we didn't want to go to like a restaurant. Anyway, है यहाँ पे restaurants आजू बाजू, but we don't have a car. So commute would become difficult. So we actually went to Trader Joe's. We bought all of our groceries. I think we spent about exactly $100 for 8 meals, which I think it's pretty good. Like 8,000 rupees for 8 meals, it's amazing for 2 people. So we're gonna be cooking. I mean, cooking nahi hai, we're gonna be heating things up. We have a lot of like ready to eat stuff. I think Aditya and I both want pasta today.
Yeah, pasta is fine.
Yeah, okay. So I think we're gonna do pasta and let's see साथ में क्या बना सकते हैं. Let's get cooking. Me and Adi are both in our ganjis.
Yeah.
It's hot, Antar. But we've decided कि screens we're gonna try to avoid. Obviously, रात को we will watch a movie. But till then, we have so many board games, so we're gonna do that. I've, by the way, never played Battlefield.
I had played it quite long ago, like 10 years plus तो हो गया रहेगा.
Yeah. But interesting लग रहा है ये game. From what Aditya has explained to me, it looks interesting. Okay, we start.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, good morning. It is such a peaceful morning. I can literally hear the birds chirping. All the lotuses have bloomed. मुझे नहीं पता था लोटस बंद हो जाते हैं शाम को और फिर से खुल जाते हैं मॉर्निंग में. It's so beautiful. And there are like 100 lotuses in front of me, which is like insane. The whole point of coming here was to live like a slow life. So haven't checked my phone since morning. Last night also actually we just watched Golmaal for like a few minutes and then slept off. Mainly we were just like playing board games, which was actually so fun. And I'm gonna make myself like a hot drink and I'm gonna journal. You guys know how I feel about journaling. I have started doing it quite regularly now and I love it. It's really cold for me. I think the ideal temperature for me is 25 degrees Celsius because I think it's not too hot, it's not too cold for me. Right now it's definitely below 20, so that is cold for me. I've bought like a bunch of these ginger shots to drink in the morning. You know, I'm in my wellness journey, but I don't know how I feel about these. Like, these feel and taste really good to me, okay? The ingredients also look very clean, but मैंने ऐसा भी पढ़ा है कि Ayurveda says that you ideally shouldn't freeze things and keep it in your fridge and then have it. Which, I mean, all of our meals are frozen. So I'm just talking about it from a long-term perspective because I actually did make this at home as well and kept it. And I think wellness shots in general are like a big thing now. But I don't know how I feel about them. Long-term point of view से अभी तो फिलहाल मेरा गला has been really scratching since basically I came here, since like the last 15 days. So this feels good for the throat. Okay, so a little bit about this journal is that I picked this up when I was in Switzerland. because I really have been. This is like so random, but I have been trying to find a journal that is super cute. I have so many notebooks at home, okay? But I wanted a very cute notebook for me to start my journaling in. So I picked it up wahan par, and this was going to be like my fresh start. So I journaled in here. I also thought that I'll turn this almost into like a scrapbook because I had like a few little postcards that I picked up from Switzerland. So I'm going to stick them in here. And I have been even adding like flowers in here to like press them down in the book. So this is turning from a journal to kind of like a diary plus scrapbook. I mean, I feel like they all are very similar in the sense that you're documenting your memories. So मैंने आदित्य को भी बोला है that he should also start journaling because I feel the sense of clarity that you get once you're done journaling is amazing. But Aditya always just tells me that he doesn't know what to write. Like उसको पता नहीं है कि लिखना ही क्या है, उसके दिमाग में कुछ आता ही नहीं है. So पहले तो I would say कि कुछ भी आपके दिमाग में आए वो लिखो. Like for example, if you have a thought saying that I don't know what to write in this journal, write that down also. And other than that, I think you should also maybe refer to maybe Pinterest for some journal prompts. There are so many journal prompts. Just pick one journal prompt for a day and write regarding that. It's kind of like a question and you answer that question. So yeah, मैं तो honestly I have been journaling since I was like 10. Not journaling. I used to write my Dear Diary moment when I was 10. And I would just do kind of like a recap of my entire day. So I know how it's done. But now I don't necessarily do a recap of the day. Now I do a recap of my heart, like whatever I'm feeling. I actually want to add one more thing, which is I have gotten so used to this feature on your phone, which is called speech to text, wherein you just press a button and everything that you want to say or type, you just say it, right? And then it types for you. And I am the type of person who thinks so fast. Like, for example, when I'm journaling, there are like 4 lines already that I've said in my head, but obviously my writing speed isn't as fast, right? So I used to. Good morning. It's okay if they saw you. So, as I was saying, I thought that it would be easier to maintain a diary, a digital diary on my phone in my notes app. There are so many apps that you can like add a passcode so no one can read your thoughts, which is cool. But I feel like the relief that I feel of putting my thoughts to paper, pen to paper wala jo movement hai, even scientifically it's known to be really good rather than just like typing and texting. But I think to each their own. I feel like whatever works for you works for you. It's important getting your thoughts out there, whether it's on paper or on your cell phone. We are done with breakfast. We've come out थोड़ा सा धूप खाने, धूप सेकने. How is breakfast?
Breakfast is amazing. My wife cooks a very, very delicious breakfast. जो omelette बनाती है, lovely.
No, both of us made it. We like to make breakfast
Yeah,
together.
but she makes very nice egg items
Okay.
like omelette, scrambled, and all of those things.
Glad to hear that. So now we're gonna put some breakfast on our face.
Breakfast.
I mean avocados. So basically मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा है. They do these avocado face masks, but in India, मेरी कभी हिम्मत नहीं हुई है करने की because avocados are so expensive. I think यहाँ पे it was for like 99 cents or like $1. How is
Feels
the-
extremely gross.
Yeah. And Aditya hates the feeling of.
Imagine if after this is done you say, okay, I don't want to do it. And then I'm stuck like this. This is a prank.
बहुत ज़्यादा ही धूप है यहाँ पर. But ठंड है. Like it's not hot. Tell me a few things that you want to do today. Today, by the way, is our last day.
I don't know, maybe just sit and chill. take in the view.
We've been doing that all
yeah,
day.
Yeah, but that's not something we get to do a lot
Yeah.
in Mumbai. So it's nice. It feels good. ऐसा मस्त हवा चल रहा है. Sitting outside, so calm, so peaceful. So
I have a to-do for today.
I'm not going boating again.
No boating, we have
You
to
just
go.
sit there, have to row it.
We are going kayaking today for sure.
In
अभी यहाँ
separate
तक-
kayaks, right?
Yeah, obviously separate.
Okay. It'll be fun then.
And you're gonna paint with me today.
No. Painting is stressful for me. Like how it's therapeutic for you, it's stressful for me.
No, but I really want to do it. Like,
I always paint outside the lines and everything, and then I'm like, "Arey yaar, what to do now?" I don't know. I'll watch you paint. Not on the beard, yaar.
hello.
Hello.
We are all nice and fresh for the day. Somehow
For the-
coordinating.
Yeah, for the day means just to sit here, see the view and chill.
Yeah, हमने avocado face पे लगा दिया तो हमने सोचा कि we'll match that vibe. We're wearing green. Did you realize? Coincidentally.
Yeah.
So basically, I really wanted to do like a sit down chatting sort of a situation. Q&A नहीं करना था मुझे because I feel like we've answered a lot of questions
काफी
recently.
Q&As हो गए.
And I think you guys know us pretty well
Yeah.
in that sense, like in terms of life updates. But I thought that maybe we could do like some really nice, soul touching, deep questions with each other.
Oh my God, soul-touching questions. Okay.
Fun fact, I am kind of known as this person in the group who always has really nice questions to ask
Or weird questions, depends on your outlook.
and my mood. But basically, I have like a notes. मेरे phone में एक notes है, okay, जिसमें I have a bunch of questions. These are new questions. These are not those. Some actually एक दो है. So yeah, we'll just answer those. Even you don't know these questions.
Okay.
First question you actually know. It's my most favorite question to ask.
Not the one where you see yourself in 5 years.
No,
We've
not
answered
that one. Not that one. It's about colors.
Oh,
So basically, whenever there's like a new group that's come together, or there's like a new member who's come into the group, I like to ask this question after like knowing them for like a few days into it. So, but we're gonna reverse it. So basically, what color would you describe yourself? I usually ask it the other way around. Ki what color do you think I am?
yeah. You never
So, but-
done one for
Yourself.
yourself.
So basically, I think it changes, right? With like
Yeah, of course.
what phase you are in life. I think for me right now, it would be like a sage green. I feel like
Interesting.
it's a very wise color. I'm not saying that I am wise. I'm wiser than what I was before.
Of course.
I think it's also very peaceful.
Mm-hmm.
It's very still, very calming, but also very happy. I hope that when people look at me, that is what they feel. So I think that's why. Do you agree? Am I a sage green?
Yeah, you could say that.
Okay.
Makes sense. For me, I think I would go with like a blue, kind of like a sky blue. Not because it's my favorite color, but because, like you said, if someone was looking at me and I would be able to pick a color, I would pick sky blue. I would also like to be seen across as someone who's calm, who's basically peaceful. You feel happy looking at that person. Yeah, I mean, it just looks nice, feels pretty, and gives you a very soothing presence. So,
Yeah, I think that a lot of people tell you.
Yeah.
Ki you instantly make them feel very
Comfortable,
comfortable.
yeah.
So yeah, I think light blue makes sense. I think you could also say on a spectrum just blue for you,
Yeah, honestly.
because obviously सबके shades होते हैं, right? So I feel like a deep dark blue would also be so
Would also
nice
match,
on
yeah.
you, because you're such a deep thinker.
Yeah. Maybe, yeah, even
Aditya
deep would.
Thinks deeply, he feels deeply, he loves deeply, cares deeply. So इसके लिए. Question number 2 is, when do you feel like your most you self, like raw, real, unfiltered? When is that?
So I think, of course, when you are by yourself, that is the most you possible with.
Yeah, sure,
I mean,
correct.
if I am just myself here, so I am the most raw, unfiltered at that time. But if I had to say in a setting, so of course with my close family and friends, of course it can be any setting. But if I'm with those people, I'm like the most me that is possible. सबसे ज़्यादा of course with you. Apart from that group, like there's kind of layers to this. I feel
एक ऑरेंज नहीं
onion.
अनियन का लेयर
Yeah.
निकलते जाता है. True, okay.
So kind of like with people, of course, with my boy gang, of course,
Hmm.
that's a different side of me.
Yeah, which probably even I have not seen.
I think so. I would like to think so. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. I mean, apart from that, if you're doing something like you really love, like for me playing video games, that time also I would feel that this is me.
Your inner child
Kind of. Yeah.
peeks through.
Yeah.
Sure, got it. I think I agree to what Aditya said. I think when I am specifically with Aditya,
Yeah.
my mom, dad,
Hmm.
and Kashish,
Hmm.
I think those four people seem the best of me and also the worst of me. I think, and of course, my friends and family, wo jo mere best friends hai, of course, for sure. I also want to actually talk about how I can be truly me and all versions of me there, because I feel like recently, since we've started this channel,
Mhm.
I feel like people feel like I'm a different person on my channel, Mridul Sharma,
Yeah.
and then I'm a different person on Mridul and Aditya.
Yeah. We get that a lot.
Yeah, but I feel like why do I have to be put in a box is what I usually feel, because
Okay.
it's versions of me, right? Everyone has versions of themselves,
True.
and certain people bring out certain
That's true.
sides of
you are
you.
even you yourself won't be the same person at work versus the same person at like home or with
Yeah,
a
yeah, yeah.
group of friends.
Correct.
So obviously there are different kind of personalities, you can say, how much you open up with certain people.
But I still am me.
You are,
What the
yeah.
version that you see on Mridul Sharma is me. The version that you see
Is also you.
correct. So what my point was ki these people get to see all versions of me, most unfiltered, without me thinking too
Obviously.
much. And also, since तूने बोला video game, मेरे लिए it would be creating, not videos necessarily. I feel like I've always been a very crafty person.
Artistic.
Yeah. So whenever I'm doing any kind of crafts or like DIYs, I think that also
Yeah.
ऐसा आग लग जाती है मेरे अंदर, and I feel like me.
Yeah, that's true. I'll ask you a question. So if your life had like a soundtrack to it right now, like what song would it be?
मेरे लिए बहुत easy है ये बोलना अभी.
क्यों?
What a wonderful world. I think so. I just feel so happy when I listen to that song, and I do really think, what a wonderful world. So
Yeah,
that.
I mean, ये देख के तो और भी
yeah,
ज़्यादा.
exactly.
Maybe, I don't know, I think I'm in that phase of life where like everything is so pretty and scenic around me, so kind of something like a ZNMD song, kind of like सूरज की बाहों में.
अब है ये जिंदगी.
Yeah, I mean, for the vibe currently that we are in, I think that fits perfectly.
But what about the phase of life that you are in? अभी तो you're on
phase
vacation.
of life थोड़ा ऐसा deep सोचना पड़ेगा. But right now, if you ask me, I would say either सूरज की बाहों में or ख्वाबों के परिंदे. Both of them are like fitting the vibe
Wow.
perfectly as to what we are experiencing right now.
Okay, cool. By the way, I want you guys also to answer
Yeah.
this question or all
The
questions.
questions.
Answer
yeah.
all
Whichever
questions.
you feel comfortable, you can answer that, or if you want to answer all, answer.
Answer.
Comment is free.
No, and I love reading comments. So please comment. Actually, मेरे पास एक अभी impromptu एक question है. मुझे पूछना था ये, ठीक है? Okay, so like when you die, hear me out. How do you want people to remember you as?
It's very deep question.
Yeah. What do you
Haven't
think?
Thought about it. Of course, मतलब nobody thinks about their death at this point of time in life. But I don't know, maybe like a good guy who was always there for his friends, connected with everyone, did not have any kind of like a ego or attitude problem, like like arrogant, was not arrogant, confident, like a leader, strong, independent, kind of ambitious.
Okay.
Just like a few words, maybe top of my mind.
Nice.
Kind of.
Cute.
What about you? And also enjoyed life.
Yeah.
No regrets.
I think एक तो ये है कि I want to be remembered for the way I made people feel.
Yeah.
In the sense that I always try personally that I tell people what I like about them.
Yeah.
Like it can be something as small as what they're wearing, or basically my intention is always to uplift people.
You make people feel special.
Yeah, I want to. So I want to be remembered that I made people feel nice about themselves. And also, I want people to think of me as someone who really lived life how she wanted to.
Nice. Both of the things you do.
Yeah.
So I think
I hope you guys enjoyed our little podcast, TED Talk situation. Podcast, I think
let's
more
end it
of
with
a...
one more question.
अच्छा एक और okay.
एक और. Okay.
तू पूछ रहा है?
हाँ.
Okay.
So if someone came up to you and told you
Okay.
that you are a lot like your partner, would you take it as a compliment or not?
Of course, I would take it as a compliment.
बस खुद की तारीफ सुननी थी.
I think आदित्य से मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है और ये मैंने बहुत सारे वीडियोस में भी बोला है. So absolutely, I would love to be associated to you.
Same. My answer also the same. If someone even told me that I am a lot like you, I would be like, वाह क्या बात है, इतना hard work, dedication, creativity सब है मेरे में. I would like go crazy listening to it. It's a great compliment for me. If someone told me you're a lot like Mridul.
Eventually, we've started getting those compliments also. Comments, comments that we look a lot like each other now. So
I think there was even one who said, "Are you guys like a brother and sister?" Like, okay, no, that's not what the Mridul and Aditya stands for.
Anyway, what are we gonna do? I think should we go make some lunch? Sorry.
Dinner, naha, lunch.
We'll go make some. We're talking as if हम लोग अभी जाके खाना बनाना है, गरम ही करना है. I think आदित्य खाएगा butter chicken.
Sounds good.
मैं खाऊंगी fried rice. Trader Joe's is like such a
Yeah.
great place. हमें actually पता है ये बहुत टाइम से करना था जो हम अभी कर रहे हैं, where we live in a place, even though we are here only for like 3 days, but we like stay, we go to the grocery store, we pick up all the fruits,
We
the
do that
veg.
on almost, I think, almost all the trips.
But
that
we never do meals.
We don't do meals because थोड़ा cooking.
अभी भी हम कुछ cooking नहीं कर रहे हैं. Maybe eventually.
एक meal cook करते हैं, breakfast.
हाँ, breakfast we do. Nice.
That's where our capacity ends.
Chal, we'll see you in the kitchen. So we've decided to actually not have lunch, but instead we're just gonna nibble on some fruits and veggies. Both of us are not really hungry, and I'm actually really excited to make my charcuterie board without cheese. हम cheese नहीं लाए. So मुझे अभी, like after we bought all of this stuff, मुझे एक reel आया which said that baby cucumbers and baby carrots are not good for your health. Like it's not natural. I'm not exactly sure what she said, but basically they said that normal sized cucumbers and normal sized carrots are the way to go. But it's okay. Anyway, India mein, I'm sure you can find these, but I have not personally seen it. So I was like, I really want to have the baby cucumbers and the baby carrot. I'm trying really hard to make it look cute, but it's not really working. Ugh, Aditya, I need help. Okay, thanks. I love olives. Oh my god, it's like olives with feta cheese. It's one of my most favorite snacks. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I think it looks decent-ish. I finally managed to convince Aditya to go kayaking, and we're going.
I've only agreed because it's an individual kayak. So you're on your own, I'm on my own.
I'm a little bit scared, only for that reason, because I have to manage the navigation all. Oh wow, navigation all by myself.
Yeah, and I don't have to kayak for 2 people. वाह क्या घिस घिस के जा रही है. You're on your own now. हाँ बस.
मम्मा पकड़ मुझे नहीं जाना है दूर. Also the thing is that आज कोई भी नहीं उतरा है लेक पे. There's literally no one other than us. Yesterday, at least, there were people who were kayaking, paddle boating, swimming. There's literally no one today.
It's all for you.
And you're joining me, sir. Have fun. Aditya seems quite confident with his rowing skills.
I'm just gonna take a short lap.
आज हमें full confidence आ चुका है. So we're like exploring all of these houses. Very pretty cabins all around.
Yeah.
We enjoyed this so much that I literally changed my outfit back to the intro outfit.
Yeah.
To
So we
shoot
took-
again.
Yeah, so we took a few shots for the intro.
Because
We were
it was-
literally on a lake during the sunset on a boat.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
We're quite far away from our Airbnb. Let me show you if I can. Yeah, that's the Airbnb. And we're here. But it's amazing. And what a great way to end our last day.
Yeah. यहाँ
It's
पे
actually-
यहाँ पे
हाँ.
sunset वैसे भी 9 o'clock के पहले होता नहीं.
Yeah.
And it's already 7:15.
So basically आदित्य ने यही कहा कि हमारी 2 दिन में दोस्ती तो हो गई है लेक से. I feel like if we would have stayed a bit longer, हम पानी में भी
Yeah.
उतर ही जाते.
Maybe like a couple days more.
Yeah.
At least कुछ ने तो पैर डुबाने तो आ ही जाते.
हाँ, पैर तो मैंने डुबा दिए है, but like body पूरा अंदर. But I'm glad that we came. I think
Yeah,
we've
yeah,
been
of course.
here for like a while, at least an hour,
Yeah, yeah, आराम से.
and it's been so nice.
It's 9:30 p.m. and it's still not fully dark yet. I don't know और कितना late होगा sunset होने. And also check out this house. They have fairy lights all the way down. It looks so pretty. And also the reflection in the water.
Okay, guys, with that we've basically come towards the end of today's video. Also, look how pretty everything looks at night. It's cold, but did you have a good time?
Yes, I had a great time. US trip is anyway like a very favorite thing for both of us. And to find a property this beautiful and spending 3 days there was like a great time for me.
Yeah, and we basically really enjoyed the Airbnb.
Yeah.
Like we didn't do anything, but that was the beauty, like the art of doing nothing.
But still doing so many things.
Yeah. It was really nice. Tell me what your favorite part was, of course.
Apart from the beautiful Airbnb, I think would have to be today in the evening when we went boating and I did some kayaking. I think I enjoyed that.
Yeah, that's so true, actually. Yeah, even you know what, I'm gonna have to steal your answer. Okay,
Because we were there for quite some time, clicking photos, taking videos, just sitting there for some time without doing anything, enjoying the view.
Yeah.
So I think that would be my favorite part.
Okay, if I have to say something else other than what Aditya said, I think it would have to be just the morning time when Aditya and I would make breakfast, of course, but also just like eat breakfast. There would, first of all, breakfast khate we would just like not talk to each other and just look at the view. And after we were done having breakfast, we would have like really deep, life-changing conversations with each other.
Yeah.
Like इतनी deep हम लोग anyway in general करते हैं, बहुत बातें करते हैं, but इतना हमें टाइम मिला था बातें करने के लिए डिटेल में.
Time goes very slow here.
Yeah, that is so true. I think we like used to wake up whenever our eyes would open, right? Without an alarm, like 9:30, 10 हम आराम से उठते थे. And then उसके बाद usually मुंबई में like
Till the point we have breakfast, it's already 2 o'clock.
ऐसा लगता है.
But यहाँ पे till the time we had breakfast and after that we were doing our discussion, it would just be like 11 or something.
Yeah.
And
It's
here the light is
insane.
also there till 9:30.
Correct.
So,
Summers है तो that also really
the
helps.
days are pretty long.
Yeah.
So that was a good thing.
Yeah. But that's it. That was video number 1, day 1 of the birthday series. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope you guys liked the intro. If you did, all credits go to Adi. Adi's
Only for
back.
the shoot.
Yeah, to the shoot, of course. No, everything else also. Adi is back to being my videographer. Like the old days. Most of the birthday intros have been shot by you.
I think
Most of
all,
them.
just excluding one, I think. Excluding one.
Anyway, we digress. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to Mridula and Aditya as well. Follow both of us on our Instagram, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.